Hey, what's going on, guys? Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here making a short video for you guys today. And in today's video, we're going to be speaking about prop firms, the truth about prop firms. I know there's been a few scandals, few bad things when it comes to the industry in prop firms over the last year. And the reason why that is because you had a few prop firms, I think, going back into late 2023 into 2024 that had issues paying the profitable traders out. And it's very important to note that I say profitable traders. One of the negative things, because I know that there's many different people out there who, when it comes to prop firms, they have this thing where all they're scams, I'm not really gonna touch them. I just made a video previously, and it's very important that if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, to definitely go ahead and get subscribed to the channel, because I make helpful videos. I typically like to release them every day, but definitely every single week that helps newbie traders inside of the industry find ways, tips, tricks, strategies, everything like that to become profitable in the industry. And like I was mentioning, I did a video on my channel previously where we spoke about all of the different benefits of when it comes to using prop firms inside of your trading journey, right? This video is going to be just a tad bit of the opposite, because there's one negative that comes into play when we think about prop firms. And this reason that I am going to be explaining to you guys is basically the exact same reason why we had this issue inside of the industry, and you had prop firms going insolvent, going out of business, unable to pay their profitable traders back in 2023 and 2024, right? And it's that when we think about the industry, day trading as a whole, I mention it in a lot of my different videos where it's just the industry statistic where 95% of the people who decide to come into the industry, put real money inside of a trading account, they fail inside of their journey. They never have the opportunity to become that successful, profitable trader. So when you look at the industry as a whole, right, just taking that simple statistic that 95% of people are actually going to fail, right? If we decide to make some business that's surrounded by the day trading industry, right? Like prop firms, for example, right? If I know that 95% of people who actually give this a try is going to fail, right? And I have a product like a prop firm, right, where you have to pay me in order to give you a shot. And I don't want to make it seem like there's anything wrong when it comes to charging for the challenges. That weeds out all of the unserious people, and it kind of also weeds out, people who are not really at the right point inside of their journey where they should be even taking the challenge to get $100,000, $200,000 account anyway, right? And if you're someone who's really serious about your journey, the truth of the matter is spending $500 or $1,000 to take one of these prop firm challenges is not really a lot of money when you really think about investing in your future and investing into the great benefits that will come inside of your trading journey by having, let's hypothetically say, a $200,000 funded account, right? So now when you go to any prop firm, and I just want to also, throw this disclaimer out there for anyone out there who, may be watching this video and you're looking to get into a prop firm, I definitely would recommend going and doing your research and definitely trying to take your prop firm challenge with a prop firm that's been around for some time. They've stood the test of time, and that's what you can go with. I would not recommend taking challenges with prop firms that's new. They haven't really been in the industry for some time, just due to the fact of one negative. I'm not going to say that it's a scam, because it's definitely not, but one thing that you definitely want to take into account is that All of these different prop firms are taking in, let's hypothetically say, $500 to $1,000 for you to be able to take these challenges. And there's a lot of people year over year, newbies. There's billions of people in the world, so you can only imagine how many people come into the industry, and they're looking to make a lot of money. They have greed all on their side, so they may not have a lot of money. So the one thing that they will try to do is go ahead and take advantage of one of these prop firms. And just to have the ability of trading with a $250,000 account, they will gladly go ahead and shell out that $500 to $1,000. Now, you have the prop firms on the flip side. They're raking all of that money in, and you even have people that pay them 2 and 3 times because they failed, and they want to go ahead and also take the opportunity to try again. These prop firms will continue to take your money. So now you have to really look at it from a business angle, right? If the statistic is that 95% of people will fail, right? I can just keep raking in the money, right? And I don't know that, this is actually true, but it's been said that the reason why previous prop firms have went insolvent and failed was that those 5% of traders, right, out of the whole 100%, 5% of the people who, paid to take a prop firm challenge, they actually went on to be profitable traders. Now, the prop firm didn't really put up, let's hypothetically say, the $250,000 and really gave you a real account. You thought you had a real account, but in all actuality, you were still trading on that demo account, and they were using the money that they were raking in on the front end, charging people for challenges to pay those 5% of traders out. So there never was actually any physical live money put up in a live account for, those profitable funded traders to actually, go ahead and trade the market. The whole game plan of the prop firm was to just continue to go ahead and rake in the money off of you paying to take those challenges, right? It is what it is, but that is definitely the reason why I say when you're in search of a prop firm to go ahead and take a challenge with, you definitely want to stick to something that is reputable. They've been around for some time, and you can verify and find other traders inside of the industry that says, hey, you know what? Yes, I've been with this prop firm for some time, and they're actually paying me every week, every month, whatever the case may be, right? And you go ahead and you roll the dice with them. I definitely do not recommend, like always, putting all of your eggs in one basket. Even when, and I said this before in the previous video, even when you decide to go ahead and take that leap of faith and, get a prop firm account, you should always have your own account to the side that you're placing the same trades in, that's basically 100% with your live money. So that is just one of the dark sides, something that you definitely need to, take into consideration when you're on your journey into choosing a prop firm account. I am going to leave this video here. Like always, if you guys have found value in this video, do definitely go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. Like always, I'm out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.